Turn on that switch. Not running. Not selecting any mode. Doesn't have a cover. Yeesh. Somebody's been on her. Cut through the wire. That's now a wee static pickup wire. Yeah, that's gone. That component then there's popped. It's burnt out. It's cracked down there, so my MOSFET's gone. Generally, I've ordered them on before and replaced the MOSFET itself. 9 times out of 10, it just blows again. Not really much point in doing it. So I'm afraid that one's gone. Don't even have a second hand field I can put onto it. Can't fix that, I'm afraid. Not going to be worth it. Buying that there on its own. To buy this, the switch, battery retainer. Plus this is the older version. Numbers are worn off it. Can't tell exactly the type number. Should be a 4000 number there as well. So there are a couple of different variations in that. You could order in one, and the switch unit won't actually fit the housing, so you'll have to buy the clamshell as well. That part there. So really, that's all that's left of the machine. Not really worth it. That'll cost nearly the price of a new machine to fix.